In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up delegated signing in DocuSign. Delegated signing lets a trusted coworker sign documents on your behalf when you're out of office or need coverage. We'll start with a quick change an account administrator needs to make, and then we'll switch to the user settings where you choose your delegate. First, sign in to DocuSign and open the admin area from the top navigation. On the admin dashboard, locate Signing Settings. Inside Signing Settings, look for the option that allows recipients to assign a delegated signer, sometimes labeled Enable Delegated Signing. Turn this on and save your changes. This enables the feature at the account level so users can delegate appropriately. Next, switch to the user side to add your delegate. In the upper right corner of DocuSign, click your profile avatar, then select My Preferences. In the left menu, choose Delegation. This is where you control who can sign for you and when. Click Add Delegate. In the dialog, search for and select the person you want to authorize. It's best to choose someone who already has access to the documents you manage and understands your signing responsibilities. Set a start date for when delegation should begin, and, if this is temporary, add an end date to automatically turn delegation off. Leaving the end date blank keeps the delegation open until you remove it. When everything looks correct, click Add to confirm. Your delegate is now authorized to sign on your behalf during the dates you specified. They'll receive routing just as you would, and the DocuSign audit trail will clearly record that a delegate signed for you, preserving compliance and transparency. A couple of tips as you finalize this. If you ever need to stop delegation early, return to the same delegation page to remove or edit the entry. Before relying on it for critical agreements, send a low-risk test envelope to yourself to confirm the routing behaves as expected. Also, communicate the change to your team so they know who may act for you while you're unavailable. That's it. By enabling delegated signing in Admin and then adding a delegate in My Preferences, you've given your organization reliable coverage without slowing down approvals.